Echo X-ray, hold outside Burbank Class Charlie airspace. I have an aircraft going around 317 pop-up Burbank Tower. You can expect a few minutes. I got a special VFR helicopter I need to get transitioning. He's been holding for about 15 minutes. South, northwest, follow 5 freeway, maintain special VFR conditions at below 2,500. X-ray for your transitioning Camarillo. Did you just want to follow the 118?
118, and then we'll look around Van Nuys to catch the 101 2 Echo X-ray.
Number 2 Echo X-ray, roger. Number 2 Echo X-ray, continue following the 5 northwestbound to join the 118, and then Van Nuys will work you through. Radar services terminated. Remain at squawk. Contact Van Nuys helicopters 119.0.
2 Echo X-ray, switching to Van Nuys. Van Nuys helicopter 2 Echo X-ray with you for the special VFR transition. We are currently at 1400.
Helicopter 72 Echo X-ray Van Nuys Tower. Wind calm, visibility 2 1/2. Feeling 1,100 overcast. Van Nuys altimeter 3016. Cleared into Van Nuys Class Delta, northeast of Van Nuys along the 118 freeway. Westbound, advise when you're in VFR conditions or when you're clear of the Van Nuys Class Delta. Transition at or below 2,500 permitting.
2 Echo X-ray, advise in VFR condition, and then we stay on the 118, and we're currently at 1400, and we have 0235.
Helicopter 2 X-ray, understand, just remain this frequency, and again, 118 west.
2 Echo X-ray, 118 west. Tower for 2 Echo X-ray, can we start, go ahead and start turning to the southwest towards the 1-1?
2 Echo X-ray, you're still too low level for flight following at this time. 2 Echo X-ray, what are your intentions? 2 Echo X-ray, you're still too low level for flight following at this time.
Burbank helicopter 72 Echo X-ray, Sikorsky helicopter approaching the zoo for the 101 westbound transition 800.
November 72 Echo X-ray, Burbank Tower, Burbank altimeter 30100, Burbank Class Charlie, surface area is IFR, say intentions.
If we can maintain special VFR, asking for special VFR transition on the 101
it's Chad, we don't have a reporter.
November 2 Echo X-ray, hold outside Burbank Class Charlie airspace. I have an aircraft going around
2 Echo X-ray, hold it.
November 72 Echo X-ray, you can expect a few minutes. I got another aircraft inbound on the final.
Okay, we'll hold outside right here about downtown Glendale, 2 Echo X-ray.
Number 2 Echo X-ray, you need to get to Van Nuys.
Negative, Camarillo, 2 Echo X-ray.
Number 2 Echo X-ray, roger, and Van Nuys is also IFR.
2 Echo X-ray.
Bishop 800, approaching Kilo is current. The only change is Burbank just went to IFR, 42 and 1/2 miles. Runway 15 news wind calm, Burbank altimeter 30100. Runway 15, text you to Charlie, hold serve, runway 8 at Charlie 6.
15 Charlie, hold serve, runway 8 Charlie 6. Thank you for that, Mr. 800.
November 2 Echo X-ray, it's going to be a little bit. I got a citation on a 9-mile final, and then the go around that I just had is going to be turning base.
10 o'clock at 9:47 a.m., the Los Angeles County Fire Department received a 911 call of a potential helicopter down in a brush fire at the intersection of Los Virgenes Road and Willow Glen Street in the city of Calabasas in unincorporated Los Angeles County. Those paramedics were hoisted down to the incident early into the incident. They did a search of the area for survivors. Unfortunately, all the survivors on board were determined to have been perished.
As the chief indicated, there were no survivors. We have a manifest that indicates that there was 9 people on board the aircraft, the pilot plus 8 individuals. There is wide speculation as to who the identities are. However, it is entirely inappropriate right now to identify anyone by name until the coroner has made the identification through their very deliberative process, and they've made notifications to next of kin. And it would be extremely disrespectful to understand that your loved one was perished and you learn about it from TMZ. That is just wholly inappropriate, so we're not going to be going there. We're going to wait till the coroner does their job, and we're assisting the families of those who believe they've been impacted, and it's a tough process. And our hope goes out to all of the members that were on board, all the family of everyone who was on board this aircraft.